Namaste. In earlier sessions, we understood many things about urine therapy. We understood the traditional references, modern references, how it is scientific, how it is not best, how it is best, everything we understood. Actually, auto-urine therapy has strong traditional spiritual references as well as scientific basis. Means in olden days, healing properties of human urine were known to people of various traditions and countries, and they used urine safely and effectively for healing various chronic conditions. Whereas in modern times, today, the medicinal properties of human urine have been tested in modern pharmaceutical laboratories. We already understood human urine comes out of the body not because it is waste, but it comes out because it is excessive fluid which is there in the blood. Kidneys, the most vital organ of our body where urine is produced, are basically regulatory organs, not excretory organs. More than 250 active ingredients are found in human urine which have a therapeutically useful action that already we understood in last video. More than 44 pharmaceutical drugs that are presently used in modern medicine are manufactured and extracted from human urine. In short, human urine is not waste, but it is best. Now, in this session, we shall understand if urine is sterile and medicinally so potent, then how to use it for healing as a therapeutic agent. Traditionally, the practice of auto-urine therapy is based on natural principles of healing. The auto-urine therapy is a system which seeks to enhance and promote body's natural inherent self-healing mechanism. The practice of auto-urine therapy, therefore, may range over a wide spectrum of treatment modalities. With integrated approach, auto-urine therapy may be defined as an art of living and healing which deals about prevention and treatment of various physical and mental diseases by internal and external application of urine in various forms using its versatile physical chemical properties without interfering the body's natural healing processes. So therapeutically, urine can be applied internally as well as externally. The methods of internal application include oral ingestion, that is oral drinking, nasal ingestion means nasal drinking, PR ingestion, that is urine enema. Also, we'll talk about urine fasting. Also, urine can be used as a sublingual administration. Also, urine can be used for intramuscular as well as intradermal injections. Also, there are other methods of using urine as an external purpose. So, in external application, we use urine for a body massage. Also, we can keep some urine packs and urine compresses. Also, urine can be used for mud packs, for a nasal wash, even for washing your eyes. We can do some eye caps. Also, if anybody is suffering from ear problems or a hearing problem, we can use it as ear drops. So, with the help of internal and external application, one can heal themselves. So, these techniques we will discuss in next videos one by one. Thank you.